Welcome to Master 79. In this lesson we will tackle an ielts writing task 1 table step by step and build a band 9 answer together. Here is the question. The table compares 5 nations in the year 2002. For each country we are given the rate of government expenditure on education and training and the participation rate of 18 to 24-year-olds. Our job is to select the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Let us read the figures. Poland spends the least, just 5%, yet nearly all of its young adults take part, 99%. Slovenia spends the most at 25%, but only 40% participate. The Czech Republic, Romania and Hungary sit in between on spending, with participation ranging from 23 to 34%. Before writing, find the story. The striking point is that more spending did not mean more participation. Poland is the clear outlier, low spending, but the highest participation by far. Everyone else clusters low on participation, no matter what they spend. That mismatch is our overview. We will use 4 short paragraphs. First, an introduction that paraphrases the question. Second, an overview with no figures stating the big picture. Third, a body paragraph on Poland, the outlier. And fourth, a body paragraph grouping the remaining 4 nations. Here is the introduction. The table compares 5 European nations, Poland, the Czech Republic, Romania, Hungary, and Slovenia, according to the proportion of government spending devoted to education and training, and the percentage of 18 to 24-year-olds taking part in it in the year 2002. Now the overview, and notice it contains no figures. Overall, the high share of government expenditure did not correspond to higher youth participation. Most strikingly, Poland achieved near universal participation while committing the smallest proportion of spending, whereas the other 4 countries recorded comparatively modest participation regardless of how much they allocated. Body paragraph 1 covers Poland, the outlier. In Poland, only 5% of government expenditure was directed towards education and training, yet an exceptional 99% of young adults participated. This was by far the highest participation rate in the table and stood in sharp contrast to the country's minimal spending. Body paragraph 2 groups the remaining 4 nations. The remaining nations told a different story. Slovenia set aside the largest share at 25%, but reached a participation rate of just 40%, while Hungary spent 13% for a comparable 34%. The Czech Republic and Romania allocated 9 and 10% respectively, yet posted the lowest participation figures of all at 27 and 23%. Why does this answer reach band 9? Task achievement, a clear overview plus well-chosen accurate figures. Coherence, a logical 4-paragraph structure. Lexical resource, precise phrases like committing a share and near universal. And grammar, a range of complex structures used accurately. That is a complete band 9 walkthrough. Try writing your own version before you look again, and subscribe to Master 79 for more IELTS practice. See you in the next lesson.